Happy Monday, everyone. This is Braden Milner, your Southwest Florida Realtor, back with your weekly Southwest Florida housing market update. First things first, interest rates are currently still on the rise. We're at a national average of 7.06% from the 7.02% of the previous week. This 0.04% increase is much less than the 0.25% increase that we saw from the previous week, so interest rates may have begun to finally find their home. However, even with the negative national headlines and buyer hesitancy from rising interest rates, in the last 7 days, the Southwest Florida real estate market is still holding steady. The median sales price this week for single-family homes and condos in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and North Fort Myers was $395,000. This is a slight 1.3% increase from the previous week's median sales price of $390,000. There were also 519 new listings, 122 expired listings, and 410 sold listings. Compared to the previous week's 442 new listings, 35 expired listings, and 302 sales, new inventory is up by 77 listings and sold homes increased by 108. However, 87 more listings went expired during this time frame. Considerably more homes sold in this period than last, with more homes going on the market as well. As a homeowner, you're still continuing to see your home equity rise or stay even. However, if you do go to sell the home, be sure to use a good real estate agent, as many homes are being overpriced or undermarketed. This is evident in the 87 more expired listings that were on the market last period. With buyers now having less purchasing power, they're being more picky when it comes to the home that they're purchasing. Ensure that you're using an agent that makes your home look as best as possible and they're hungry to get the home sold. This will ensure a successful selling process for you instead of a headache and no eventual sale. Even though buyers are continually seeing less buying power, they're still buying up inventory in Southwest Florida. As a buyer, you now have more listings to choose from, and you may be able to get a good deal on a property. Look for listings that have been on the market for a while, as sellers may be more adept to making you a deal. As a seller, ensure that you're using professional marketing material and pricing your home correctly to ensure a successful sale. As always, it's important to work with a knowledgeable and experienced real estate agent who can help guide you through the buying or selling process and ensure that you get the best possible deal. I work with buyers, sellers, and investors all over the Southwest Florida community. If you're looking to buy or sell a property, I'd love to assist you. I can be reached anytime by call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also check out my website, bradenmilner.com, for my full list of seller services, educational resources, property search, and much more. That's all I got for you today. If you have any more questions about the Southwest Florida real estate market or the real estate market in general, I would love to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.